So if anything is too strong or uncomfortable, just let me know, okay?
Olosway.
A new health approach.
So at the beginning, we're just feeling your back, trying to understand what's going on. There's a bit of tension here, right? Yeah. It shows really fast. Do you sit a lot during the day?
Yeah.
Okay. But you do exercise, right?
Yes.
Okay. It's a good stretch.
Yeah. Especially the lower back.
Mm-hmm. So they say that shiatsu therapists has 4 ears,
Right?
2 in the head and 2 in the hands. We listen with our hands because the body tells a story, right?
Right.
And we need to figure out, because sometimes our patients, they are not telling everything in the first session, right?
Fair enough.
So we need to understand what's going on and to learn things that they did not say.